Welcome, everyone. If you've ever wanted to set up a project management office or PMO using Smartsheet, but maybe felt a bit overwhelmed by where to begin, this tutorial has you covered. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through the fastest and most effective way to get your PMO up and running by using one of Smartsheet's built-in templates. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to launch a pre-made PMO and customize it for your unique team needs, all in just a few easy moves. Let's dive right in. Go ahead and open Smartsheet to your home page. Now this is where everything starts. Instead of building your PMO grid by grid, which let's be honest can take ages, we're going to save loads of time by using a template. At the top of your Smartsheet homepage, look for the Create or sometimes the plus button. It might just look like a big plus sign depending on your setup. This button is basically your gateway to starting anything new in Smartsheet, whether it's a blank sheet or something fancier. Give that Create button a click. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. Smartsheet is just pulling up all your creation options. Right on this new window, you'll see an option labeled something like View All Templates. This is where the real magic happens. Click on View All Templates, and now you have access to a huge gallery of ready-made templates designed for all sorts of teams and industries. Take a moment to soak that in because templates are a serious time saver. You're not just starting from a blank page, you're building from a framework that's already thought of a lot of the tricky details for you. In the search bar or filter area, type in Project Management Office. Smartsheet will now filter the templates to show just those relevant to PMOs. Go ahead and select the Project Management Office template that looks best suited for you. When you click it, you'll probably get a preview showing you all the sheets, dashboards, and reports included. This template usually contains sections for tracking initiatives, resources, project timelines, and those all-important summary dashboards. In other words, it's not just a single sheet, it's a whole workspace built for project management. Click Use Template or Create from Template, and in a moment, you'll have your very own PMO setup right in your Smartsheet workspace. This part might take a minute to load because Smartsheet is basically generating a full suite of tools for you. Now here where you get to make it your own. The template is fantastic out of the box, but the real power comes from tweaking it, just enough that it matches the way your team actually works. Maybe you want to customize the project categories, adjust who the key stakeholders are, or personalize those dashboard widgets to better show what your executive team cares about. Don't worry if you're not sure what to change right away. Think of this as shaping a super solid foundation to fit your own goals. Remember, templates are frameworks, not final products. Don't be afraid to experiment. Smartsheet makes it easy to adjust columns, drop in your own logos, or change the color scheme so it feels more like your organization. Take your time on this step. Even small tweaks will pay off in making the template much more useful for your real daily work. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've taken a big leap toward a professional, organized PMO setup in Smartsheet. You've learned how to locate, launch, and start customizing a template that can save you hours, if not days, of heavy lifting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to like the video, it tells me to make more. Drop your questions or let me know how your own PMO setup is going in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on mastering Smartsheet and project management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.